Hello, I'm Peter Jones, Garden Manager at RHS Wisley, and now is a fantastic time to come to the garden. There's so much to see. The autumn colour is really starting to peak. So when you come and visit us, you should definitely come to 7 acres. There's some amazing, wonderful specimens such as our liquid amber Wisley King, which is with big, wide boughs of colour. Our metasequoias, the dawn redwood, are a wonderful coppery orange at the moment. Great towers of autumn colour. And then other things like this wonderful Camellia sasanqua behind me, the winter-autumn flowering camellia, which is full of flower and great for insects at the moment. While you're on 7 acres, do take time to look around our winter walk. Although that isn't at its prime season, the winter stems are still full of their foliage, which has got great autumn colour as well. And you'll also see the team out there starting to do some of their sculpture work with the winter stems, which is a really fun thing that you can do at home with your winter stems. With so many excellent trees throughout the garden, it's worth exploring some of the wider landscape and taking a walk into our arboretum and seeing some of the excellent trees we have there, such as Acer rubrum October Glory with its fiery red Acer leaves. Another tree that's really standing out in the arboretum is Tilia henryana, which is vibrant yellow, which stands out like a big ball of custard out on the landscape. Another great tree worth seeing is our Acer triflorum and our pinetum. This vibrant red tree with its wonderful foliage, not often grown as a garden tree, is really spectacular at the moment amongst all the conifers in the pinetum. And if trees aren't your thing as well, why not pop over to our Alpine display house, which is full of gems, whether it be South African bulbs such as nerines in full flower or our autumn winter flowering snowdrops, which are looking spectacular.